To place markers on your Fortnite map, start by opening the game and entering a match. Once you are in the game, access the map by pressing the map button on your controller or keyboard. The map button is usually the touchpad on PlayStation, the view button on Xbox, and the M key on PC. On the map, you will see a variety of locations, including named locations, roads, and other points of interest. To place a marker, click on the location where you want to place it. A marker will appear on the map, indicating the location you have selected. You can place multiple markers on the map to mark different locations, such as where you found loot, where you encountered enemies, or where you want to meet up with your squad. To remove a marker, simply click on it again. Another way to place markers is by using the ping system. To ping a location, aim at it and press the ping button on your controller or keyboard. The ping button is usually the right D-pad on PlayStation, the right D-pad on Xbox, and the middle mouse button on PC. This will place a temporary marker on the map, allowing you to quickly mark locations without having to open the map. When placing markers, it is essential to keep in mind that they are only visible to you and your squad. Enemies will not be able to see your markers, so you do not have to worry about giving away your position. In addition to placing markers, you can also use the map to track your progress and navigate the island. The map will show you the current circle, the next circle, and the locations of any ongoing events or activities. You can also use the map to plan your route and avoid danger zones. By following these steps and using the map effectively, you can improve your gameplay and gain a competitive edge in Fortnite. Remember to always keep an eye on your minimap and use your markers to stay one step ahead of your enemies.